I found a free push stick template online, which I'll link below. The general shape of it was perfect for the shape of the fox that I wanted to make. I'm using a thin piece of cardboard, which I'm just going to glue the template onto. Smooth it out as best I can. Then using a sharp blade, I cut around the template. I aligned the bottom of the hook with the edge of the plywood. I believe it was 3/4 inch plywood. And I trace around the pattern with a ballpoint pen. I clamp everything into my vise, and using a coping saw, I can cut out the pattern. I also use the robot to cut out the straight bit. Then it's just a matter of sanding everything smooth and it's ready to use.